This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to an email address in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To hyperlink an image to an email address, it's very easy to do. First thing I'm going to do is insert my image. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. I'm going to click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to where it says Pictures, and I'm going to click on Pictures. Now I'm going to use Place Over Cells. Then I'm going to slide straight off to the right here, and I'm going to choose this device. My image is on my device here. Now in this little dialog box that opens up, I'm going to select my image. I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to go down, click on Insert. There is my image right there. Now I'm going to downsize it by holding down the left mouse button, dragging in on the corner. I'm going to make it about that size there. That is a PNG image. Now the following step, I'm going to select the image. I have the image selected. I'm going to go up to the top up here, and I'm going to click on the Insert tab. And on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the right side, and I'm going to click on Link. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Insert Link. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure the bottom box is selected here, email address. Make sure that one's selected. And then go up to where it says email address, and in this box here, you want to type the email address you want to hyperlink the image to. As you can see, Excel automatically added in that mail to colon. That has to be in there. Just type in your email address and Excel will automatically add that part in. Then you want to go down to the bottom, down to where it says OK. Click on OK. Now I'm going to click off of my image. Then I'm going to click, when I click on my image again, it's going to open my email app. And that email that I just provided is already made out in the To part. That is how to hyperlink an image to an email address in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.